to Girls Can,
Girls Will,
and Girls Did. I am your host, Tahira,
and I am Nania.
Yes, Nania. So, what in the world are we going to do today?
Well, today, Tahira, we are going to
What?
Do something else with a 9-volt battery. Well, ladies, today we're going to focus on utilizing that 9-volt battery again, girls. It hasn't ever been an issue where the lights went out.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
And we needed a source of light.
Okay.
Didn't have a candle. Didn't have a flashlight. But I got a 9-volt.
Okay.
Okay. So what I'm going to show you today is how to make a makeshift flashlight.
That sounds interesting. I think at this point we need some sponsorship from any battery company out there because we are going to do any and everything possible with a battery.
With the battery,
yes.
Batteries are our friends.
They are.
And again, news you can definitely use.
Yes.
So let's get into it.
Let's go.
All right, ladies. So here we go. How to make this makeshift flashlight when I don't have one in sight, right? I don't have any candles and my electricity is out. Here we go. I'm going to show you how. What you'll need, a piece of wire or anything that's metallic. You can also use a paper clip if you have one, but I'm using this wire. A light bulb, there's your nifty 9-volt battery, and 2 pieces of electrical tape. First things first, I'm going to take my positive and my negative side. I'm going to attach my light bulb to my positive side. Very simple. Make sure that the bottom of my light bulb touches that positive side of my 9-volt battery. I'm going to take my electrical tape and make sure it adheres to it. Just bring it on around and down. Make sure that connection's there. All right. Next thing I'm going to do is take my wire, attach it to my negative side of my 9-volt battery. And here I'm going to take a little piece of electrical tape just to secure that. Just to secure that down. Oops. Now you see it's already trying to make a connection. All right, once I've done that, I'm going to take my electrical tape, my extra electrical tape, and I'm going to kind of secure it to my battery just so it'll be out of my way. All right, I'm going to leave this piece open because guess what this is going to serve as? This is going to make the connection. Now, when I make this connection, it has to touch the metal part of my battery. So when I do that, my connection wasn't secure. So you got to make sure your connection is secure. Put your electrical tape down. Okay. And there we go. So I'm going to secure my tape and my wire down. And as you can see, this will illuminate. And it's going to illuminate as long as I have light in my battery. So if I'm ever in the dark, I know how to make a makeshift flashlight. So again, ladies, news you can definitely use.
Nania.
Yes, ma'am.
You did that.
I did it. I did it. I did it
I really like this one. I think this is cute. I think this was a great one for the kids, for everybody. How did you feel about it?
I think it is a key skill that we need to know as women. All these great things that we can do with a 9-volt battery. Simple as that. You know, at the end of the day, we're all into being self-sufficient, being able to be independent, and being able to get it done.
That's right.
So, again, we did it.
We
so
did.
Girls can.
Girls will.
And girls did that.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also sponsorships from battery companies.
And again, let us know what you want us to do.
Correct.
All right, until next time.
Bye.